I am amazed sometimes when I hear stories of true love and dedication to a specific cause. That is exactly how I felt when I heard about Henna Heals. It is 100% volunteer-based and focused to create beauty for cancer patients. According to their website, they state Henna Heals is a global community of artists who create and advocate for henna crowns as a form of empowerment for people experiencing hair loss. And their work is absolutely breathtaking. The goal of Henna Heals is to make women feel beautiful, despite their circumstances. They do men of all ages. Most henna tattoos take only a few hours to complete. Each design is unique to the women. The recipients state they feel empowered. Some state they feel beautiful again. Henna Heals is located in Canada and working to make it worldwide. Henna Heals is making a difference to men and women everywhere. All the work done is by volunteers. And the work they do is inspiring. Henna Heals' motto is bold, beautiful. Each tattoo will last 2 to 4 weeks and will fade naturally on its own. All artists will work with you to create the crown of your desire. How beautiful! Some of the women who have received the tattoos state they feel beautiful again. Others state they feel empowered and able to fight and beat the cancer. The henna designs, which feature traditionally feminine floral patterns, religious symbols, and messages of hope, help cancer patients cope with the hair loss and change of their image. For people suffering from cancer, losing their hair to chemotherapy is a demoralizing difficulty that only adds to the emotional and physical struggles that come with their disease. For cancer patients, the henna crowns really are a healing experience, said Francis Darwin, the founder of Henna Heals. This is all about them reclaiming a part of themselves that would normally be perceived as ill or damaged or not nice to look at and making it more feminine and beautiful. An individual's hair is a big part of how they perceive themselves. So many psychologically or spiritually focused healing campaigns focus on coping with hair loss as a way to make life easier for those undergoing cancer treatment. Albert Bredenhand was also part of a project in which one cancer patient's friends decided to help their friend cope with a different but also powerful hair-related surprise.